Hello everyone and welcome back to Iron Squirrel and another episode of the Tower Clock. I hope I am better prepared illumination wise than I was in the disassembly episode, so you will actually see something and it will be worth it. So meanwhile, when I clean the complete timepiece, I did also some works there in the tower. So first thing, I removed the old winding structure which was preventing from the closing the doors, which were yanked out. They are stored back there, fortunately. Second thing, I removed all the old wiring, and this is the rest. This will also go out. And I repaired this piece almost. It's just drying the glue now, and later on I will blend it to the old structure. And last and the most important thing, I cleaned the whole cupboard for the clock. It was quite different because there was maybe 3 to 4 centimeters thick layer of dust, oil, grime, dead mouses, disgusting thing. So it will not be better, and because the whole cupboard is soaked in oil, it's perfect deterrent for the woodworms and insects and other undesirable creatures. And now I can start with the assembly. And now I have there the first half of the frame, which go back there. So I will put you on the stand and let's begin with the assembly. So this is cast iron, so it's very heavy. And so I forgot to mention in previous episodes, you can guess how much these clocks weigh when they are fully assembled. So you can guess in the comments. I will be very glad, and if you comment, it will also help me and help the channel to get subscribers, likes, and so on. So next thing, there will go those rods, and I need to put all of them in the place before I will get the second half from downstairs. And subscribers wise, in the analytics I noticed that 86% of you viewers are not subscribed. So if I can politely ask you please hit the subscribe button down below. I will be very glad, and thank you. So we are secured, and now I will get all the parts to the top, and we can start with the assembly. And I have partial of the timepiece up there, levers, rods, miscellaneous pieces, nuts, pins, and so on. So I can start with the assembly. The assembly is the reverse process of disassembly, and I will try to put you somewhere there where you can see something, and let's see how it's going. I think it will do. So the first thing what I need to do is put those levers in place. Is this lever, which will go like that and goes there. It's perfect, and I will secure this a little bit later. Next thing are those two levers. So this will go next, and I'm thinking as next I will actually place the main windmill or wind flap or RPM arrestor. Slide this in the place. Hopefully I will slide it there without taking the other bushing up. Okay, that's there. Now it's a little bit tight, it's not moving so freely because nothing is oiled yet, so it's fine, nothing's binding, it's perfect, and it spins, and it will be better when everything will be oiled. Now I can put levers in place, so the center and hopefully it will go in the place without a problem, but I think I will need to, yeah, for the good measure I will remove also this back center bushing. This one goes there and over. Perfect, and the second one should go like this. Hope you didn't saw only on my head. So front center bushing and the one. Perfect. So, 2 levers done, more to go. Now we have those 2 levers, and they are responsible for the pulling on the hammers, and those levers goes through this like so, and there are no problems with them. But before I will do that, I will put the intermediate wheel, those one, and this will ride against the pinion on the flap, and there is a cam wheel. So I will remove the bushings. And the wheels going in. Okay, we are in. So front bushing. And there I lost audio for a few segments. Now I am pushing in the place the chiming levers, and I also showed the leather part, which is meant to protect the rod. And now I am installing the control ratchet for the hour wheel, which is going in right now. That's similar as the quarter control wheel, and installation is quite easy. It's secured with this pin, which also serve as the point to the corresponding number of chimes or the corresponding hour. And now the intermediate wheel for the quarter barrel or quarter chiming, and the second lever for the quarter chiming. And 2 weeks later I am back in the tower, and I have all the drums there, and I need to take them to the light, and I make in FreeCAD pattern for the sprocket for the automatic winding, and laser cut, mounted, all 3. So I am ready to continue with the assembly. So we are there, ratchet is working, we are engaged in the wheel, and we are spinning. Perfect. The same for the quarter chiming barrel, so I will speed it up. So we are fully synchronized on quarter chiming, hour chiming, and how it's work. This lever is on the main barrel, and there you can see there are 4 pins, and every quarter hour, and those pins push this lever up, which means when this lever is pushed up, this teeth, I don't know if you can see it, go up. It's right there, which means it unblocked this camshaft, and everything just start with moving. There is a second lever and another pin which is down there, and this pin pushes on this lever, which bring up this teeth and also this, which enables camshaft is up, and if I spin this, when this is up, it allows to spin this. Otherwise, if it's down, it will not spin. You can see right now it's pushing the hammer down, and soon enough we will engage the camshaft stop. Click. So now we are chiming twice. Second chiming. And now it will locked. Done. So it's quite easy, and if it's not the full hour, this pin will be in another position, so this lever is not activated. So that's all. It's quite easy. And I apologize, but it's very difficult to get this done and make some footage. So we are in the place, ratchets are in the place. Everything is ratcheting, so it's fine. And this push lever is working. Okay, so that's it. Now the bearings, yeah, that's fine. Okay, you need to set the right amount because it has some play. So if it's not right, the quarter chiming and then the hour chiming will be late, not exactly in the right right time. So that's why it's so important like that. So this is partially engaged. fully. So that's it. Now I can place the front half and get there some shafts. But before I do this, I need to count the teeth. Why? Because I need to determine the bit rate. So this is our front with the secondary dial. There is the control rod which goes up to the tower to the dials, and there is just gearing for the secondary dial and 1:1 ratio to this wheel. So I can put this in the place. Also there is a fork for this, which I need to mount there, and I will not connect this right now because I need to disable the dials from the timepiece, so when I test it I will know if there is any problem, if it's in the timepiece itself or if it's in the dials. And this is quite a tight fit, so heavy and tight. So let's go like that. We are matching in the teeth, and there we are free, so that's okay. Now I can secure this to the frame. Disassemble all of this and put it there, and now we can assemble all of this. Maybe, yeah, it's in the place. 2 bolts, extra threads. That's it. On the other side, there should go a small shaft. That's it. And one last bushing. Like it. Okay, and so last link, and those bushings have other links going out from the side, so it's a little bit difficult. We have play. Okay, and we are spinning the drum, which is perfect. Fine. So without any place, so I like it. Now the escape wheel, and I need to make a pin for this, but before I will do that I will clean it a little bit, count the teeth. I have it prepared. Holes are in line, like that. Perfect. And for now we are finished with the assembly. So that's restored timepiece. Of course I need to change the pins, but I need to do some tuning, so I will do that later. And in the next episode I need to tune the timepiece, make those wires rolled on the barrels. I need to wait or determine weights and a lot of other things, and of course to repair doors and lots of other things. So that's it, and I will see you in the next episode. And also you can comment or guess in the comments how much this timepiece actually weighs. It's a lot, so I look forward for your comments. Also, if you have any questions, just ask. And yep, see you later.